Hello, this is Classic Improvement Products, and in this video, we're going to give you a little tour of our mini showroom located in Anaheim Hills. So when you walk in to the right, the first thing that you will notice is some new exterior shutters with different styles, louvers, raised panels, board and batten, the whole nine. And then if you pan a little bit more, you'll see our wall full of motivational quotes. And then also located in our front office is a motorized power screen with our logo printed on it. We love this motorized power screen. And then we also have this full-sized retractable screen door with a speed reducer on it. And you can actually demo it to see how it would feel. And on this particular screen, I mean, just look at how beautiful it is. But we also have our palm tree stickers on it, and we actually offer our palm tree stickers in our office. Next to the retractable screen, we have some of our colors that we offer for our housing and our pool bars. And then we have this little bifolding closet door, and the top of it has a louver design, and then as we pan down, you will see that it also has a raised panel design. We also have a couple of window treatment samples, and then we have more exterior shutters with more of our materials and the different designs that we offer, because the variety that we offer is pretty extensive. So you can ask any of our customer service reps and they would be happy to walk you through the different designs that we offer. And then we also have this motorized retractable awning that we can actually demo for you. We have a remote control, and at the touch of a button, this awning extends all the way out and retracts back. And if you want any of our customer service reps to show you that, they would be more than happy to do so. We also have this manual drop screen with a hand crank and a wire guide that you can also try out. And we also have a couple of Bahama shutters samples that you can get an up-close look at. We also have our book of Sombrella fabrics. These are for motorized power screens, for roller shades, for manual drop screens, for awnings that you can look through. And then we have our table full of brochures that you can take a look at. And last but certainly not least, we have an example of our interior shutters. And there you have it. Feel free to stop by our showroom in Anaheim Hills to take a look at any of these awesome products.